All right, let's go ahead and jump into our arm.
This video is brought to you by protein. Most Americans are not eating enough protein in their diet. You need about 0.5 gram per pound of body weight per day. And if that seems like a lot, and you haven't been on a diet or exercise regimen and you're trying to consume less calories, then eating more food to get more protein may not be the solution for you. This is where protein shakes and protein powders come into play. A great one would be something that's low carb, but gives you the sugar you need post-workout so that you can recover and prevent the onset of cortisol, your stress hormone, so that you can get ample recovery, feel better, and maintain good positive energy levels. A great attribute for your protein selection would also be BCAAs. Maybe 7 grams of our favorites, which are leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which should be in a 2 to 1 to 1 ratio, which you find in most of your BCAA products and is also great in protein. Most importantly, you want to find an isolate. Isolate means that it's a derivative of whey, which is a byproduct of milk, and so it takes the lactose out. Your body has a heightened immune response to lactose past the age of 3, which means that you slow your digestion down, you have potential for increased fat storage, and a decreased ability to recover the muscles, which is protein's main goal. If you can't tell, here at E3 Strength, we use Extend Protein. And the reason for that is it meets all the qualifications that we just mentioned. And so do plenty of other proteins, so you don't have to go with Extend. But it happens to be pretty affordable, easily and readily available on Amazon and here at E3 Strength. So if you're thinking of getting on a protein supplement, this is a great place to start. Extend is more than just protein. They make pre-workout, intra-workout, and post-workout supplements. For more info, you can visit extend.com or e3strength.com/shop. And be sure to mention this ad next time you visit E3 Strength for your free 1.8 pound tub of Extend Protein while supplies last. Now, back to the video.
We're gonna have 3 movements for this workout. We have a bicep curl. The bicep curl will change in our tempo and our arm positioning. Our second move will be a tricep kickback, and our third move will be a halo. 10 reps, 4 rounds through, and we'll be done. It's gonna go super quick. Grab those weights. We're gonna tuck our elbows into our hips. We have 10 total. So curling up to your shoulders and straight back down. Something super important to remember when doing all of these exercises, but especially these bicep curls, is to keep your core engaged. We're not arching our back like this to try and pull those weights up. My core is engaged here. I curl up and then straight back down. 10 total. Then you can rest. We'll go into our kickbacks next. Good work. All right, there's 10. I'm going to drop one weight. We're gonna move into our tricep kickbacks. What we're gonna do is go into that staggered stance. My back foot is parallel with my heel. I'm gonna drive that elbow up above my body, kick that dumbbell back, fully extend the arm. Just that lower forearm moves, 10 here. Trying to keep those shoulders square to the ground. Woo. 10 here, and then we're gonna switch arms and hit our opposite tricep. Amazing work. We're gonna switch. I'm gonna flip around. Get that other arm. Good work. Really trying to focus on keeping this nice and slow and controlled. We're not swinging this dumbbell. We're using our muscles today. Here we go. Hit 10, and then we'll move on to our third and final exercise. All right, nice and easy, right? Third exercise is gonna be that halo. Grabbing underneath the dumbbell. We're going to start under our chin, weights by our chest. I'm going to wrap that around my head, using my core muscles to stabilize. and then go back in the opposite direction. That's 1. We have 10 total. This feels too easy. Add in some instability, do a staggered stance or a full balance. Just remember that if you're doing staggered stance or balance, you switch your legs halfway. All right, I'm switching my legs just because I staggered them and I hit halfway. Go work, here we go, almost there. We'll get a little rest after this, so don't go forward just yet if you finished. Ooh, all right. All right, go ahead and grab your dumbbells, alternating hammer curls for 10 reps. Don't forget to engage that core the whole time. These are called hammer grips because when you're going down, it's kind of like you're smacking a hammer. It's good practice, so when your dad asks you to hammer something with him, you don't just like nail his thumb by accident. Not that I've done that before in the past, sorry Dad. Right, left is 1, we have 10 total. Again, we're not swinging the weights here, we're nice and controlled. We're controlled so we don't hit our dads in the thumb. Woo, go work. Last one for me. Take your time if you need to. All right, that next exercise is that tricep kickback. I'm gonna drop my weight, come into that staggered stance, and then go into those kickbacks. Nice and controlled, same thing. We're not swinging here. You don't have to curl that weight all the way in, unless you want to get extra bicep work in, but I think we're gonna do our due diligence today. Keep that elbow up in the air. All right, hit 10, switch, hit the other side. Here we go. Really squeeze at the top. You can take an extra second, pause, come back down. Go work, everyone, come on. Hit that 10. We have our halos to finish this round. I'm gonna attempt to do a full single leg balance. Again, you can do this double leg, staggered, full single leg. The more unstable you are, the harder this will be. If you are doing balancing like me, don't forget halfway. We're going to switch our legs, and that's halfway for me. Keep that core tight. Get that full halo around your head. Don't hit your head. That would not be good. Arms are so tired, we're just whacking our heads with the dumbbell. Don't want that. Protect yourself. All right. Reps, squat, curl, press. It's okay to use a little momentum from the squat into your curls. By now, your biceps are probably getting tired. This one is meant to give you a break. A little bit, not too big of a break. Core is tight here, as always. Good job. 10. Woo. Drop one weight, take back time. Get into that stance, engage your core here. Elbows above your back. Fully extend your arms. Staying at 10 reps here. My brother one time told me a saying, and I literally have never forgot it. He was like, Morgan, listen, we do bicep curls for the girls. Girls do tricep work for the guys. So it's curls for the girls and tries for the guys. And like, I guess I get what you're saying. Like girls, like we love a good bicep curl on a guy. Like apparently guys like triceps on a girl. But I looked back at him and I said, absolutely not, Tyler. I'm gonna have both. So here we are, doing both. You know what? Girls, guys, whatever you're into, whatever you like. If you just like one or if you like them all. I'm gonna make sure that my biceps are also strong. And my triceps are strong. I'm not neglecting a muscle group. So I love you, Tyler, but I'm doing both. All right, finish those kickbacks. We're gonna go into our halos. Round 3. If you haven't tried doing a little bit of instability work, so like going a staggered stance or lifting your leg, try it out. Now's the time. We only have 2 more rounds. Try it. You're not going to fall over. The worst thing that happens is I just stick. You're going to tap your toe down. That's okay. Halfway. Make sure you switch. Make sure you are testing it out. I hope you're trying it with me. Keeping that core tight. We're not wobbling all over the place. Anti-rotational muscles working here. Woo. All right, amazing work. Beautiful. All right, go ahead and grab your dumbbells. Our last and final round. Here we go. Roll those shoulders back, engage that core. Hold 1.5 90-degree position. 10 reps on the moving arm. This one's brutal, so make sure you breathe through it. But really fight to keep that arm up in that position. Go work when you hit your 10. Oh, you can shake it out if you need to. We're gonna switch. So I'm gonna hold this 90 degrees. This one does the curling. Here we go. Nice and controlled here. Last round, best round, right? Here we go. Ooh, 10. Okay, that one's brutal. That one gets me every time. Drop that weight. We have our 10 kickbacks for the last time. Here we go. Elbows up. Make sure those shoulders, try and keep them square to the ground. We're not opening up this way. 10 total. Come on, stay with me, finish strong here. Maybe you have a specific guy or girl that you want to show off your triceps to. I don't know. Do it for them, do it for you, do it for me, just get it done. Go work. Come on, we're almost there. Pause at the top. Feel those muscles working. All right, our last and final exercise, halos. Do yourself a favor and make it unstable. All right, lift that leg up in front of you. Challenge those core muscles, challenge those feet muscles. But make sure you switch halfway through. If you've been doing this the whole time, can you not put your foot down the whole time? That to me is the biggest challenge. I just did it. Okay, I'm gonna switch. Let's see if I can keep this foot up the whole time. 5 reps, and then we're done. You can tell I'm not putting my foot down, but I'm not talking because I need to focus. One more loop. Finish strong. I don't know if that counts. Shake those arms out. Great job. Thank you for joining me for our quick upper body workout.